I'm from Cardiff. My key concern is with the sheer amount of packaging that goes into consumer items or any kind of food or anything in supermarkets or whatever, because it's all ending up in landfill sites. I mean, even if there's some recycling going on, and a lot of it is very unnecessary. So I'd like to know why there aren't stricter regulations governing the amount of packaging that's used.
I've got 2 children. There's nothing worse at Christmas time than opening up large amounts of packaging to find something small inside. We overpackage as a society. It's an issue that we can't resolve on our own in Wales. We have to do it at European level, in my view. And of course there are directives that have been developed recently. And in Wales we're doing our bit, of course, with the levy that's being imposed on plastic bags, single-use carry bags I should say, from October this year. But it's a problem that Europe has to sort out, because of course we know that we have to deal with overpackaging when it comes to waste arisings being dealt with in Wales.